Jovy Systems iSolder-40, the newest release of our intelligent soldering station for today's lead-free, tough soldering applications. No more calibration or overshooting with intelligent eye control. No more struggling with endless settings, only a single wise touch. No more excess thermal energy. iSolder-40 delivers a precise level of thermal energy. No more damaged PCB or burnt pads. iSolder-40 delivers an exact amount of heat regardless of the solder joint mass. Adjust the operating voltage according to your country's electricity supply. Plug the power cord into the station and connect the electricity supply. Switch on the station from the power switch. Insert the tip into the solder station handpiece. When the green LED light flashes, the station is detecting the tip. Once the green LED light remains on, the tip is ready for operation. When the tip is not being used, the eye control senses no dissipation or thermal variation, which triggers a 5-minute countdown to initiate the sleep mode. If the station is not in use for 10 minutes, the station will go into power-saving mode. However tough the solder joint is, you will get the job done with just a single touch.